Welcome to the final English lesson of week 2. Today the focus is on poetry using similes and descriptive writing. What is a simile? A simile describes something by comparing it to something else. To do this we use like or as. The image on the right hand side can be used to generate ideas. Her brown hair looked like a frizzy chocolate river. You can see that I've used the word like to compare the girl's brown hair to a frizzy chocolate river. Each stone in her hand looked like small fossils. I've used like to compare the stones in her hand to small fossils. The leaves of the plants were as green as emeralds. I've used the word as to compare the colour of the leaves to the colour of the emeralds. All the steps were as brown as the soil. When she smiled, her eyes sparkled like the blue ocean. Her orange top was as orange as the sunset. On slide 3 is the LI, to write a poem using similes and interesting description. This is slightly different to the LI on Purple Mash, but you'll still achieve the same intention. So a friend is like a star that twinkles and glows, or maybe like the ocean that gently flows. A friend is like gold that you should treasure and take care of forever and ever. You can see that I have highlighted the similes in the poem. When you do your poem, try to include at least 3 or 4 similes. So once again, focus on the learning intention. That will guide you. Use the image to help generate ideas. Take those ideas and put them into your poem. On slide 4, the poem is about UFOs. And once again, I've highlighted the similes used in this poem. So last night I saw a UFO. It was like a giant flying bow. You can create your own similes by looking at the images, creating ideas, and then putting those ideas into your poetry. For those who are struggling for ideas, you could use this poem to help you. Maybe you could place similes in this poem if you find it difficult to create your own ideas. Once again, use the image to create your ideas, and take your ideas and put them into your poem. Go to Purple Mash, click on To-Dos, find Alien Simile Poem, and click. Read the learning intention, which is slightly different to the one I have, but you'll end up with the same result. Click OK. You'll end up here. Use the words on the left-hand side as normal to help you think of ideas. Now your poem does not need to rhyme. And finally, think about punctuation, spelling, noun phrases, similes, descriptive writing, and interesting vocabulary. Edit your work and up-level it or improve it. Thank you very much. Have an enjoyable holiday. Take care. Stay safe.